Club Cash Fund
has got a lot of people very excited because for most of them it is the first time that they've actually succeeded making money from home. This is a unique, super easy program that is just beginning, so you're seeing this at the right time. It is unlike anything you've probably ever seen. My name's Martin Wilson, and I'm very grateful to the home business industry because it has treated me very well. And I'm proud to say that I have been unemployed with no boss to answer to and no alarm clock to turn off for the last 15 years because of it. And it is my mission to share it when I find something that really works. And
Club Cash Fund
really works. These days, people are looking for the automated way. And that is why direct mail marketing is having such a resurgence. When you go to the mailbox and you see all these flyers and all these advertisements in your mailbox, that's direct mail marketing. Back in the day, that was one of the only ways that you could do a home business. Direct mail marketing works. It's very appealing. There is not really any technical expertise that you have to have. You have to go out and mail something. It's about as low tech as it can get, and anybody can do it. But with
Club Cash Fund,
you do not have to mail anything. Normally, you have to buy leads, you buy envelopes, you are responsible for buying the paper, printing the flyers that are going to go in the envelopes, and if you're lucky, you'll have leads that have stickers so you can just stick them on the envelopes, or you have to write them on the envelopes, then stuffing the envelopes, and the postage, which is a big expense, and putting the stamps on it, then mail the envelopes. So all are very time consuming and very expensive, but
Club Cash Fund
does not require you to do any of that.
You see, the company does all that. Club Cash Fund is in fact an advertising company. Just like any other company that sends out mailings, they send out their advertising kits to people that request them for free. We're paying for this service one time for $100, and they're sending out the advertising kits over and over again. Also, as a basic member of Club Cash Fund, you get 2 training products in the back office. One is about Email Profits Bootcamp, and the second one is Dominating with Free Facebook Strategy. By joining Club Cash Fund, you now have the right to resell the products and make your money in Club Cash Fund. This is why the company gets $20 from every sign-up. Club Cash Fund also puts you in the company rotator. Now, the way this works is when somebody goes to the company and signs up, they don't have a referral. So what Club Cash Fund did was set up a rotator so every person that joins will have a spot in the rotator. And as these people come in without a sponsor, they'll be given to the next person in the rotator. Therefore, it makes it fair and equal for everybody that's in the club. Whether someone comes from the rotator or comes from someone that you personally send your link, you still get paid either way. Now I'm going to show you how the compensation plan works. You refer someone that joins Club Cash Fund for $100. The $100 is distributed out like this. Your name is in position number 1. You get $20, your sponsor gets $20, their sponsor gets $20, and the pro rotator gets $20. The company in position 5 gets $20 as well. Now, when your referral refers someone, your name is in position number 2. Your referral gets $20, you get $20, your sponsor gets $20, the pro rotator gets $20, and the company gets $20. Your name will be in position 3 when one of your referrals get someone. They'll get $20, and your referral will get $20, and you, of course, will get $20. The pro rotator gets $20, and the company gets $20. What I'm going to show you now is really exciting. It's the reason I joined Club Cash Fund in the first place. It's because of the leverage that this business creates. In this scenario, let's say that one of your referral signs up 5 people. Well, that's 5 times $20. Of course, they get $100. And your referral would get $100. You get $100. And the company gets $100. Remember, the money's generated from the $100 that all 5 paid to join. Now, that's great. But look at what can happen when you and your team each sponsor 5 people. You sponsor 5 times $20, that's $100 for you. Those 5 sponsor 5, that's 25 people times $20, that's $500 for you. Now, when those 25 people sponsor just 5 people, that's 125 people times $20, that's $2,500 coming to you. What I'm showing you now is a screenshot of Club Cash Fund back office. Now, as you can see, some people here are on the leaderboard with just 5 people. Now, at the top of the leaderboard, you see people have anywhere
From 41 to 67.
So what I'm about to share with you is very realistic. So what if you signed up 25 referrals? 25 times $20, that's $500. Now what if your 25 people just got 10? That would give you 250 people on your team. You multiply that 250 times $20, that's $5,000 in your pocket. Now remember, these 250 people are your referrals. So if they went ahead and did the same thing and got 10, giving you 2,500 people on your team times $20 would give you $50,000 in Club Cash Fund. Now this is fantastic since you never have to upgrade and you only pay $100 one time.
I'm sure you can see why we're so excited about this program. It's enormous potential and all the free traffic you'll be getting. Now what happens is when you become a member of the program, you are going to be given at no additional charge and no monthly charge ever this super high converting capture page with your own link and website address and everything. It will be placed in the rotator, and when people come to check this out through the company's website or through our advertising that you're going to be a part of, they'll put in their name and their email address. They're going to start getting a sequence of emails inviting them to come back and join with you. They're going to go to this page, and it shows them a short little video.
The form will appear and be available for them to
Fill out their information to get their free kit. And the company mails out the kit for you. Nothing for you to do. The company puts the responsibility of all of that. And what they get in the kit is a very nice 6-page letter that explains this program in detail. What's well known in the home business marketing industry, and that is if people get something real, something tangible in their hands, the participation of the program skyrockets. People appreciate it so much when they have something tangible in their hands. They even send you a self-addressed envelope, and they don't even have to buy a stamp. So this is an ultra cool thing. It's ingenious.
You are going to be automatically in the company rotator and get sign-ups from people who are visiting the website. 333,690 people visited the Club Cash Fund website last month alone. In other words, 11,123 people per day, which is 463 people per hour visiting this website. It's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And the sooner you're in the rotator, the larger of the percentage of these people are going to come to you. See the urgency of this. And this is just getting started. On top of that, as a member of our team, you are going to be added to the email marketing rotator, our text marketing rotator, our video marketing rotator, our ringless voicemail marketing rotator, and the Facebook marketing rotator. So we are doing all of this marketing and advertising for you. You see, we have a 1,000% vested interest in your success because we make money when you make money, literally. So the more money you make, the more money we make. And we are going to shoot this thing through the stratosphere, and you are invited to come along for the ride.
You are seeing this at the perfect time, so you need to jump all over it. Get your free kit immediately, and do not let this pass you by. You have this website that takes them into your system to where they're joining with you, and you're also going to get this back office at no additional charge and no monthly fee. Gives you all kinds of marketing resources, even though we're going to do marketing for you. All of this is provided for you for this one-time cost that's so minimal you won't even miss it. So the value of this program and what they give you and the marketing we give you and the fact that you don't have to sell, this thing is skyrocketing, and it's going to duplicate like crazy because it's all done for you. All this traffic is going to be shared by you in the traffic rotator, and it's also going to be shared by the people that come in with you. The longer you wait to get in, the less people are going to go under you. The quicker you're in, the quicker you're in the rotator, and it's divvying up all these people that come. The more people will be under you, and the more people will be under them and their people, and that all leads back to you. Time is of the essence, as quickly as possible. This is the increase in traffic in this in just 1 month. In this program with this kind of traffic and these rotators on our team and the company rotator, that could mean a lot of people coming in under you. We're all going to make a lot of money, and we look forward to winning with you.